John Michelangelo to address the attendees.
Alright, so good evening to all of you, and Diyos maray na banggi sa Indo Cobos in Bicol, and also magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. No? So I am from the Philippines together with Sir Edgardo and also Sam. Yes, same also with Mr. Edgardo. No? I am also part of the Ateneo Libre University, ADMU, and also the Lasal University Manila as professor. I've been with the academy for the past 15 years already, and I am in the field of accounting. No? So basically, more on accounting and financial management. Presently, I am also the PSBA Manila CPA Review Director, and at the same time, Refresher Director. So meaning to say, I am in the field of accounting. Meaning to say, we are here in front of you, because our advocacy here is to create more certified public accountant in the Philippines. Meaning to say, we also created our own review center, the CPA Review Center, the Advanced Review Solutions, which is the ARS, because we want to help many students to achieve their dream to become certified public accountant. That's why I am very grateful with Mr. RJ, Dr. Edwin, also with the Thames University for this recognition as part of this honorary degree to serve others, to serve more. That's why to be men and women for others in Ateneo, and also at the same time to work hard, in order for us to achieve their dream to become certified public accountant. Thank you very much and have a good day.